WhatsApp for iOS is getting a new option that it should have received years ago. Now the app lets users send uncompressed photos and videos quickly. Hey guys, I'm Dipankar and today I'm gonna show you how to send photos and videos in original quality in WhatsApp for iOS. iPhone users could already send photos and videos in original quality by moving photos and videos to Files app, then use document sharing feature of WhatsApp to select the photos and videos from the Files app. But this method is not straightforward and a very few people know about it. With the latest WhatsApp update for iOS, users can send uncompressed photos and videos directly. Open the chat where you want to send original quality photos and videos, tap the plus icon, select document and then tap choose photo or video. It opens Photos app where you can select photos or videos to share in chat. Photos or videos shared via this method will have a file icon in the chat. The feature also limits file sharing to 2 GB, so you cannot send longer videos of size more than 2 GB. WhatsApp for iOS already lets users send HD quality photos, but this method still compresses photos and does not send original quality photos in the chat. By sending photos or videos as documents, you will be sending original quality photos and videos. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Don't forget to subscribe our channel to get notifications of upcoming videos. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, take care.